name is Dahan. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Aibuild. We are building an enterprise software platform to automate complex manufacturing processes. We integrate with large format 3D printers such as polymer extrusion and metal deposition, and we automate the programming of these manufacturing processes for the end users. Rapid Fusion is a trusted partner of Aibuild. We work closely with the team in the UK, and the biggest benefits of working with the team at Rapid Fusion is they really understand the processes, they are experts in the field, and they are going really deep into application level engineering. We are able to bring solutions to the market that are pushing the boundaries of advanced manufacturing.
Rapid Fusion is an OEM. We specialise in large format additive manufacturing solutions. Our specialty lies within the large format sector.
Through our software, we are looking to automate the complex decision making by using artificial intelligence and advanced algorithms.
Today we're going to look at the workflow we created with Rapid Fusion for an application in aerospace industry. It is an air duct for aircrafts. Here first we can see the digital twin of Rapid Fusion. You can see their extruder here with their robots and setup. So we always start with creating a digital twin so that we can simulate their setup. Here we can see that we upload the object and then we can transform it the way we want. As the next step, we are slicing the object, which right now we are using a vase mode, which is an automated mode to detect the geometry and then creating automated slicing. Here you can see that layer height is changing in the different corners of the print. It is because we are using a multi-planar method here. So the print is going to be following the geometry itself and then rotations. So here we are going to have smaller layer heights and here we are going to have bigger layer heights. Furthermore, we can edit the tool rotations so that we can rotate our tool the way we want. And as a next step, we always check the simulation so we make sure that before we start printing, we can visualize all the print. And now we check the simulation.
The combination of a powerful hardware and software deeply integrated is offering a seamless experience to the end users, and it's enabling our customers to produce parts reliably and cost-effectively.
We have done all the legwork behind the scenes with Aibuild to ensure that our clients have an excellent out-of-the-box experience.